So we have the new MZK tiller. I looked around at many of the tillers and I came back to this one because it came with 2 batteries and I really like the ease of what it said to put together. It was easy, took about 3 minutes, and right out of the box you can use it. I'm in a plot of about 100 pepper plants, and as a part-time farmer, the weeds tend to take over. I've been doing weeding by hand, and it's a losing battle, so I thought I'd get the MZK, and I'm on my 2nd battery, so I thought I would show you all how it works. I think it works fabulous. I'm going to do this one-handed, so let's just give it a shot. You can see it gets right into the ground. You get close to the plants, and you can till up the soil really well. For the price, I think this is really a super buy, and I'm a big fan. And we'll see how the battery charges, and we'll go from there. And the first battery must have lasted easily 40 minutes in some pretty thick weeds that I have here. All right,